Look at this guy's glasses.
Yeah, you're gonna get a POV of this right here.
Oh god.
Oh.
AC stretch belt key, if he could find a correct socket that'll work. Zip tie it to the pulley. And he's got it on the AC compressor. God, I'm such a good cameraman.
Killing it.
I would go clockwise.
Good idea.
Just hold it on there. Oh, oh my god.
It is such money.
Alright?
Yeah.
Alright. It's like butter, except for he's using a tool that's not very good at turning the... He's almost got it. And 1 hour later, you're on the AC and you're on the crank pulley. So the key here, hold on, sorry. The key here is to zip tie the crank pulley, the belt onto the crank pulley, rotate it. You probably need to do it with somebody to help you, and watch the AC pulley and make sure it stays on there as you're rotating it. And usually you'll get it on the first try. It may take you a little while to pry on the belt to make sure that it stays on there, but this is the best way that we found to get that thing to work without struggling all day on it. So if you like this video, click the like button, subscribe, and I am Dylan. You alright?
Yeah, why?
Right, and this is Ryan, the main character in this video.
I'm a character for sure.
So click the subscribe button, and until next time.
Click like, subscribe.
Okay, so
What?